Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us on another exciting property tour brought to you by Infinity.
As we enter the new year, it's our pleasure to provide you with new and exciting opportunities.
Today we're in the charming and rural area of Stanmore, a region with so much to offer, including fabulous parks and outstanding schools. Set in the Lang estate, this extended 5-bedroom semi-detached corner property has it all.
The light and airy through lounge provides plenty of room and comfort.
This impressive kitchen includes functional and durable appliances.
The extension at the rear can be used for many purposes.
The light-filled space is perfect for relaxing and entertaining. This practical utility room has the functional facility of a laundry chute. The ground floor also benefits from a shower and WC. All 5 bedrooms are magnificent in size and space and offer fitted cupboards and laminate flooring. The family bathroom comes with a bathtub and separate shower unit.
Outside the present garden comes with raised plant beds and a garage via carport.
The driveway can accommodate 3 to 4 cars.
This property is ideal for a large or growing family to move into.
To grab this exciting opportunity, contact Infinity today.